acne, and the bacteria that causes it. What is acne? Acne is a chronic inflammatory disorder of sebaceous glands of face. It is a common skin condition caused by hair follicles, plugging with oil, sebum, and dead skin cells, often resulting in blackheads, whiteheads, or inflamed pimples. Primarily driven by hormones. It affects many teenagers and some adults, usually on the face, neck, and back. What is the main cause of acne? Acne is primarily caused by 4 key factors: excess sebum, oil, production, hair follicles clogged by oil and dead skin cells, bacteria, Cutibacterium acnes, and inflammation. In detail, that means excess sebum production. Sebaceous glands produce too much oil, frequently triggered by hormone fluctuations, androgens, during puberty, pregnancy, or menstrual cycles. Clogged pores, hyperkeratinization. Dead skin cells and excess oil mix to form a plug in the hair follicle, creating whiteheads or blackheads. Bacteria, Cutibacterium acnes. It is a naturally occurring bacteria on the skin that thrive in the clogged, oily follicle, leading to infection and inflammation. Inflammation. The body's immune system reacts to the bacterial infection, causing red, swollen, and sometimes painful pimples or cysts. Now, let's get to the main topic. What is the bacteria of acne? Cutibacterium acnes, formerly known as Propionibacter acnes, is a commensal gram-positive bacterium that resides primarily in the sebaceous glands and hair follicles of human skin. While it is a critical part of the healthy skin microbiome, it is also an opportunistic pathogen, most famously linked to acne vulgaris. What are the key characteristics of bacteria of acne? Morphology. It is a non-motile, rod-shaped, pleomorphic, slow-growing bacterium. Environment. It is an aerotolerant anaerobe, meaning it prefers low-oxygen environments, but can survive exposure to air for several hours. Diet. It feeds on sebum, skin oil, using enzymes like lipases to break down triglycerides into free fatty acids. Homeostasis. In a healthy state, it maintains skin health by producing propionic acid, which keeps the skin's pH acidic and inhibits harmful pathogens. What is the role of this bacteria in acne? Acne vulgaris. Acne is often triggered by a loss of microbial diversity and the overgrowth of specific virulent phylotypes, rather than a simple increase in total bacterial numbers. These bacteria release inflammatory mediators and form biofilms, which can make them resistant to treatment. What are the treatments of this bacteria in acne? Topical agents. Benzoyl peroxide is highly effective because it introduces oxygen into pores, which kills the anaerobic Cutibacterium acnes. Salicylic acid and myrtle extract are also used for their anti-inflammatory and anti-biofilm properties. Antibiotics. Common choices include erythromycin, clindamycin, and tetracyclines, for example, doxycycline. However, antibiotic resistance is a significant global concern. Other. The bacteria are naturally photosensitive and can be inactivated by blue or ultraviolet light.